Hello all my gals, gays, and theys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Spooky Susie Sparkle, and you can call me Susie. Today we are going to be playing with the Lunar Beauty Moonspell Volume 2 palette, and we are playing with this because I am going to be giving one of these beautiful palettes away in a giveaway. This is my personal one. I received a duplicate in the Lunar Beauty mystery box that came out. I also received a duplicate of the Moon's Prism blush palette. So this one is also my own personal one. So some lucky winner is going to receive a Moonspell Volume 2 palette and a Moon Prism blush palette. So today I've already got my face done. So now let's go in and do a beautiful look with this palette. I definitely want to do sort of a rose gold kind of theme today. I do have a lot of gold highlighter on my face, along with sort of a gold blush moment. So I want to do a rose gold eye as well, and this palette has everything I need to do that. So we are going to start out with the first shade here called Sally. It is a beautiful neutral shade, and we are going to put that all over the crease with a nice small fluffy brush, which is also from Lunar Beauty. Their brushes are absolutely awesome. We're just going to pack that onto the crease to get started. Okay, now that we have our initial shape using Sally, I'm just going to wipe the brush off on my towel, and we're going to go into the shade right next to it called Cameron, and it is a darker, it's a darker peach color, and we're just going to use that on the same brush and kind of melt it with Sally and give it more definition. This barely takes any effort at all to get these to blend together. The Lunar Beauty formula is amazing. I have never been disappointed yet by the Lunar Beauty formula. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. And I'm so excited that someone that follows me and supports me is going to win this, because it is absolutely amazing. We're going to go in with one more shadow, matte shadow that is. We're going to take a small brush here, and we're going to go into Freya, which is this color right here, and we're going to deepen up that outer V and smoke a little under the lash line. Absolutely gorgeous. We're going to rub this small brush off, and we're going to go back into Sally, which was the lightest color we used, the first color, and dip into it and finish smoking out the under eye. And now we're going to go into grams, which if you don't know, if you don't have anything that's Lunar Beauty or really follow Lunar Beauty, their Moonspell palettes, both volume 1 and 2, are all the shades are named after witches in pop culture. And if you are a child of the 90s / early aughts, if you were a teenager in the late 90s, early 2000s, and you love Charmed, like I did very, very much, grams is a color that will hold a special place in your heart. So this is sort of a purpley orange shift. Let me give it a little swatch to you here. As you can see, it's like purple, pink, orange, but it leans more onto sort of the dark pink side. I think it'll look really pretty on the eye. And Lunar Beauty's shimmer formulas are absolutely amazing. I rarely ever have to fully do like a full cut crease to get the kind of pigment I want. That's what's so insane about it. I mean, like, it glides on like absolute butter. And oh my God, it's just like, it's so buttery, so pigmented. Like, I don't have to use an extra adhesive. It just automatically just picks up beautifully and melts with the other colors. Oh, I love it so much. And it matches perfectly to the colors that I decided to use. Now it's sort of like a dark pink rose gold kind of look, which I am just living for. It's so springy and pretty. We will still do an inner corner. That's why I left a little space there. But let's do the other eye off camera, and then we'll choose a shade for the inner corner. With the rose gold, we're going to go and do something kind of different that people don't do a lot, and that's do a kind of a darker inner corner. I thought I'd experiment with this, and I want to use the shade Mildred, which is this really pretty gold color. And it's not too awful dark, but we're going to see how it looks in the inner corner. So we're going to get a small brush that I like to use for inner corners. I really love, let me get you come in a little close here. I really love how the pink shift in it is really playing stronger than the gold shift. Because of my eye look, it melds really together without overpowering the rest of it. I really like that. So that is what we're going to go with. I'm going to take that loose brush again, and I'm going to dip into it just loosely, that Mildred shade, to put above my brow bone and give it a gold shift. Oh, I love that. Absolutely love that. This palette is so good and unique. The color story is absolutely beautiful. And once again, I'm so excited for you all to get your hands on this. So excited. Let's finish my eyes, do the lips, and I'll be back to let you know how you can enter the Lunar Beauty giveaway. If you want the chance to win this beautiful Lunar Beauty Moonspell Volume 2 palette and the Moon Prism Blush palette from Lunar Beauty, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, hit that like, and leave a star emoji comment. Either any star emoji in your phone, leave that down in the comments telling me either your favorite Lunar Beauty product, or if you've never tried Lunar Beauty before, what products for them you want to try, and that will automatically enter you into the YouTube section of the giveaway. I will also be announcing the giveaway on my TikTok and my Instagram. Both those links will be down in the notes, and this gives everyone the opportunity to enter from all 3 platforms. So it gives you more opportunities to win. I am limiting the entries to 5 apiece on each platform. So you can only enter 5 times on each platform. Both TikTok and Instagram will, one of the rules will require you to tag a buddy or tag a bestie to enter on that particular platform. And this is also very important. This is going to be international. So all of my international friends, I've been saving some coin because I know how expensive it is to get things internationally that you may not have access to other places. And I wanted all of my followers and supporters and subscribers around the world to get the chance to win these items. So follow me on all 3 platforms. You don't have to, but if you want more opportunities to win, follow and subscribe on all 3 platforms. And good luck till next time. Be safe.